Hi, everybody. This is a piece of firewood I got from Vancouver Island. It was in my buddy F. Bob's firewood pile. It is cottonwood, so this is wood that I believe is around the world. So lots of people have access to this. Doesn't make the best firewood, but whatever. I'm going to show you how to. You can carve any kind of face on this piece of wood, and you got to jump start because you already have this 45 angle or whatever it is. I got two pieces here. I got a bigger piece, but I can't show this. So when I'm looking through the pieces of the firewood, I look for the piece. I look at the end grain right here, and I look for the piece. See this side, then this side, this side, and this side. I look for the piece where the sides are the same length, and same pitch. So this one, pretend like, look how they're both kind of equal to the center. All right, so that's what I look for. You're gonna struggle a little bit if this side's a little bit longer, and this one's shorter. This one, they're both equal, so it makes it perfect sense to use this piece. Now I'm just gonna kind of run this live. I wasn't planning on making this video. Where'd my pen go? So you can use this piece, like I said, for any type of face that there is out there. So where do you want to put your eyes? Put our eyes. So these will be our eyebrows right here. Sometimes it's hard to draw them on square when you're filming. And our center line will be this point. Okay, this point is our center line. So where do you want to have your nose? Our nose will go right here, and we'll go like this, and we'll go like this. That's all you need to start off with. And your forehead, you can put your forehead in if you want. And that will be like that. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to get depth when you start off with a piece that's not flat and you got this angle, like a fence post or something. Pretend this is a square fence post. Everything's square, and you just use the corner of the edge of the fence post. The corner of it. So all you do is get yourself a Dremel. I'm using a Dremel 4000, a Dremel flexshaft. You don't even have to have a Dremel. Even to speed things up, you could use your Fordham, or you could use a grinder with a sanding disc on it and sand it down. Sand it all down here, like taper it down like this. So what we're going to do here is taper this down, remove the wood below the nose, and it's just that easy. So let's turn on the fan and just run this live. So I'm just going to cut below this nose, and I'm using a Kutzall Extreme Flame Burr. All right. Okay, you see that cut in there? Now I'll just remove the wood below the nose. You might as well remove all this point. So I don't know if this is, I think this might be popular. It's pretty dry. So there, look at your nose. It already sticks off. So now let's cut these eyebrows in. Okay, there's that cut. So now let's taper this down. Get your pen. I don't normally use a pen, but I wouldn't for this. And we'll just go like this and remove all this wood right here. Boom, look at that. There's your nose. That's how easy it is. Okay, so let's cut beside the nose. You got to establish the bridge of the nose, right? Try and keep both sides equal. Okay, now remove the wood beside the bridge of the nose. There you go. That's how easy it is, friends. That's how easy. There's your nose. You can shape your nose after. Now you can make this face a smiling face. You can make him unhappy face like Grumpy Jesse. You can give it a mustache. You can do anything you want to do. Okay? So the forehead, just kind of redraw it on. Now it looks like this side's longer than this side. But anyways, the forehead, all you do is just carve it deeper. And definitely don't feel like you have to carve as fast and crazy as I am. I'm just trying to make this a really quick video. Now let's take all this down. There you go. Your nose, whatever you want to do down here. There's your forehead. Now, on a real person's face, the nose sticks farthest off the face. So I think that nose already is sticking farthest off the face. But if you want the nose to stick farther off the face, all you have to do is carve all this down, okay? Carve all this away. Take the bridge of the nose down some more. Carve this part deeper like you did here too. So we're going to carve that all away. Then we're going to re-carve our eyebrow lines. Now look at that. It's all sloped down. Perfect. So now you can redraw now you can change if you want your eyebrows up higher or lower too. So let's just put our eyebrows right here. Try and draw them on straight across. Like I said, I'm really rushing this video. And we'll just recarve. Take the bridge of your nose down more, too. Eyebrows. Take the bridge of the nose down more. Start shaping the nose. I think I'm going to end it with that video. With this here. Actually, let's see here. Let's just shape this nose a bit better. There you go. Look how far that nose sticks off now. That's all. That's as easy. That's as simple as it possibly gets when you start carving a face. That's how you can bust into carving any type of face you really want just from a piece of firewood like this. So let me finish carving this offline. We'll see what I might just make it a simple wood spirit, but I can concentrate on making it look like a face, like I said. And you can make this any type of face you want: a happy face, a crazy face, an angry face, a wood spirit face. You can make it a green man face, do leaves. Take this part down more, like take this down. You can grind the back flat too so it sits on the wall better. That's how easy it is, everybody. Okay, so even though this is not the world's best wood spirit, I think you guys see what I mean. I was trying to quickly carve eyes. They didn't work out, and I just hold them out. So this is something like you can even give to your grandchildren, and they could put little rocks or something in the eyes if you hold them out. Just goes to show you, just like from a piece of firewood, you can carve anything.